Just
I have already made you. Yeah, total today maybe last no maybe many candidates will not attend the session due to examinations. They might refer the session later.
okay, okay. Just give me a minute.
Okay. Yeah, and you record the session.
Yes, yes, just started, I guess. Yeah.
And guys, if you have any doubts regarding the project, please do ask. This session is for you only. Okay, so that Jai Rathod is the right person and informative person who can share his experience as well as knowledge with you. So sharing a knowledge for us is like a gaining a knowledge. So it's up to you to please make use of it and ask the queries as much as possible, just based on your projects. Okay, about attendance, about recording sessions, about certification, don't worry that I will be there to assist. Again, I'm saying uh, attendance, LMS, project submissions, and certification. Don't worry, I am there to support. Regarding IT and project related queries, please ask Jay Rathav.
Think we can get started now, I guess. Sir, you're on mute.
Yeah, you can start the session.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I will again request everyone to join the session.
Sure, sure, yeah.
Okay.
Fine. I think so we
Hope
can get
hope you
started.
hope you started recording the session.
Yes, yes, it just started.
It's not showing. Okay, okay,
Um,
fine.
okay, yeah. Yes, so good evening, every one of you. Let's get started with the project part. Okay. Uh, yeah, so I think in the last couple of sessions, you talk about some data that we have, shopping data, you can say, and we have created some graphs, some visualizations that we have created, and we have also asked some of the questions. I think I can see that some of you are already asking few questions that can we add our own questions? Definitely you can add. And another question is where can you find all the questions? Okay, I will share that list of the questions. No worries. Yeah, fine. I will share with you. Uh, yeah, yeah. So let's say let's just tell me what are the things that you have learned in the last sessions. I will take it. I will explain the entire projects from this beginning. That is not an issue. But if you have specific doubt, I will also focus more on that particular doubt. So please tell me what are the challenges that you are facing for this particular problem projects. That is the shopping trend analysis. Yes. I mean recording. I think okay on YouTube. I think only one session is available. I will upload in the second session. Meanwhile, no problems. Yeah. And yeah, I think yeah, this is the platform where you can connect with your mentors. Okay, we are here to help you. So please ask your doubts. We'll focus on your doubts first. Okay, and then we'll start with the report part, GitHub, and all these things. I'm going to explain you everything. Okay, what is deadline and what you need to submit, how you can submit everything. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. That file only you need to submit. Yes, absolutely correct. Yeah. So whatever things you have, it's that you need to submit. Raja sir sent a set of questions related to analysis of projects. Yeah, it's not compulsory to have all the 20 questions, but we expect at least 10 or 12 questions should be there. That should be some basic analysis. Okay. Target audience for this project is the like all the students who have selected P3, right? That is the shopping trend analysis. This is for those guys. Okay. Yeah, yeah, we are working on the same data sets. It's not nothing is going to be changed. Yeah, I will explain you about the report. Just wait for some times. Yeah. While mentioning about the internship or LinkedIn, which company organization you should mentions. Yeah, you should mention AICTE, but when you put, like if you want to tag, you can tag Edunet, SAP, and Microsoft. But yeah, you are part of AICTE internship basically. Okay. Yeah. No worries. Even if this is your first sessions, I will make sure that you will understand each and everything. Okay. All the recordings will be uploaded in the YouTube channels after this sessions. No worries. Okay. Yeah, 15 questions are sure. Yeah. Can you share the questions once again? Okay. Okay. I will share with you. Yeah. Yeah. Even if you have your own questions, Tanya, that is also fine. Okay. Uh, Fine. Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry. Even if this is your first sessions, I will make sure that I will make you understand. Okay, so what does this line means? Group by operations with the payment method, purchase amount mean. Sure. Okay, okay, yeah. Let me note it down. This is very interesting things. Let me note it down. Yeah, I will going to focus on this part as well. Okay, yeah. Let me make a note of it. Group by operation basically. If you are facing challenge with the group now, I will explain. No problems. Yeah. Certificate it will take some times. Okay. Yes, Kushi, we are going to explain about the report after half an hour at Pex. Okay, but what I would suggest everyone, please you need to submit your report and all these things in GitHub. Okay, in the GitHub. So I request every one of you to create a GitHub account first. Okay, first you just create a GitHub account, and then I'm going to explain you how you can upload your projects on the GitHub, because as a part of submission you also need to provide the GitHub link. Okay, that is mandatory. Yeah, when to submit, where to submit. Yeah, everything away, everything's just be calm. Everything I'm going to explain. No problems. Okay. But let's just first complete the analysis part first, and then I will explain about the everything, so deadlines and report format, what you need to submit, everything. Okay. So first, we just create your GitHub account. If you have any, it's fine. If you do not have, please create your GitHub account. I will share you the link where you can find GitHub. Yeah, this is the GitHub link. Okay. Just just click on this create your account, and then I will explain you next things. Okay. Yes, yes, I am going to explain you from the beginning. No problems. Okay, no problems. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Just create your GitHub account first. Okay. Just first. Just create a GitHub account. Okay. I think some of you must have completed the GitHub account link. Now, what I would suggest, just create a new repository. Just create a new repository. Okay, let me share my screen. I think that will make more sense to you. I think. Report should be in PDF. I'm going to explain you that things. Okay, so guys, just please pay attention here. We are going to focus on the technical part first. After 1 hours, hopefully after 1 hours, I'm going to explain you the regarding this subject. Okay, so please just focus your attentions to this technical part. Okay, if you have a GitHub account, just log in. Okay. No, it's not. Yeah, it is doubt clearing. But and even if you have some doubt regarding the previous session, you can ask. And also, we are going to you know we are going to focus on some of the questions that was That was we are targeting for, right? So yeah, I'm going to share that list as well. Just a minute. Okay, so I will share that list. First of all, I will share you that list. And what else you need? You need a data set as well. Yeah, so okay, I will share you the GitHub link where you will find uh, questions, all the questions. Okay, so I will let me share that GitHub link. Yeah, this is the GitHub link. I hope you are able to click on it. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I hope everybody got the ideas, what data set you have needed, and what kind of analysis that you want to do. Okay. I have mentioned that all the questions in the question.doc files. Okay. Now let me share my screen and explain you about the uh, things like yeah. Okay. I hope my screen is visible. Okay. Yeah, so I will share this shopping project files repository with you, where you will find this doc file as well as .csv file. CSV file means the datasets that we are focusing on. Okay. Yeah. Okay, great. So now this is done. No need to clone. I mean, we are going to create a separate GitHub. We don't need to clone. Just download these questions if you need. I think some of you asked where are the where you can find the questions. That's why I share these things. No need to clone anything. So you are going to create a new repository altogether. Okay. Yeah. So just create a GitHub account as of now. Just do that thing. Nothing else. Okay. And if you need the question, you can download it. If you need the dataset, you can just download it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now let's go back to this shopping trend analysis file. Okay, and let me walk through everything from the starting. Okay, everything's from the starting. Okay, so even if you have missed some of the sessions, like one or two sessions, so I will explain everything. Okay, but very quickly because we have spent much time for this. Okay, fine, great. So here you can see that first we imported all the required libraries as is needed. Then we have imported the datasets by this, which is the same datasets which I shared with you. Okay, same datasets. So that I am doing by like this. So here we have data in form of .csv. That's why you need to have read underscore csv. Okay, that's why you need to read underscore CSV. So once you read these things, you will have all the data in form of data frames inside the shop variables. Okay, inside this stock variable. Yeah, fine. So now I want to check how many data points that I have. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create shop dot shape. So it will tell me that I have this many rows and this many columns that I have. Okay, this many rows and this many columns that I have. Okay. Yeah. After that, I want to check first five rows. I can use dot head. I want to check the data type for each and every columns. I can see sub dot d types. So I can see that some of the data I have in form of integer. Okay, and some of data are floating point numbers, and some other data are in form of objects. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, these are the things, right? We have customer ID, age, gender. Gender will be in form of object because we have a string like male and female like that. Okay, yeah. Okay, fine. Now next, then I want to see what are the different columns available in my data sets. What is that information? How many null values are there? All these things I can use by this command dot columns dot info like this. Again, I want to see if any null values is there or not. I can use like this sop dot is null dot sum. Okay. Yeah, this is what we can do that. Now, this will tell me that in this every columns we have this many null values, but here we don't have any null values, so we can simply work with that. If in case suppose you have a null values, so first task you need to do is you need to remove those rows. Okay, so remove null. There is a function that will use to remove the null rows. Okay, yeah. So as of now we do not need it, so that's fine. Now, here in some of the columns we have a data in form of objects. So we are really interested to know how many unique values are there. Okay? How many unique values are there? So for that, what we are doing basically, we are going to have unique functions for each and every columns. How can we access individual columns? So SOP is my data frames. I want to access gender columns. So I'm going to say SOP of gender, that will consider gender columns, and dot unique. It will give me the unique value available in this particular columns. Okay. So here we have a male and female. We have a category columns. We have a size like L, S, M, XL. Subscription status, yes and no. Shipping types, express, free shipping, next day, and like that. Discount applied, yes, no. Promo code, yes, no, and payment method, this many. So we can see that in this particular column, so we have some categories. Now, why I am doing these things? Because now I will do what I will do. I will analyzing each and every things, and I will see how can I increase my profit by analyzing these shopping types. Getting the idea? So that's why I'm going to see each and every columns and what are the possible values that I have. Okay, and I will ask many analysis questions on that. Okay. So yeah, I mentioned some observations, all these things. Yeah. Now suppose mm, hmm, hmm. Okay. So yeah. So now next, now I will see that in the age column, what is the overall distribution of customer age in the data sets. So here we are going to focus on that all the possible answers that we have regarding the age, how many unique values are there, and how many counts are there. So you can see that we have a 69 age, we have 88 customer who belongs to 69 age like that. Okay. So yeah, this many things that we got, right? This many numbers, unique values, and as well as their count. I want to see what is the mean value. So I can say this is the column dot mean value. How many unique values are there? I've already seen. And now I want to see this particular graph, right? Just a minute. Let's see. Yeah. So we have seen unique values, we have seen mean values. Now I want to have I want to have some histograms based on age versus age category. So here I have a age, old, young, elders, mid-age, teen, right? And I want to see what is the corresponding count. Okay. So what I have done, I have created some beans, 0, 15, 18, 13, some beans I have created. Okay. So what PD dot cut will do, what it will do, if it is belong to 0 to 50, it will create a all the age value inside these things, and it will tell as a child. Okay. Then 18, 15 to 18, say teen. Okay. Then 18 to 30, young age, like that. So it will create a separate categories and it will make a count of that. Okay. So this is the one thing. Now I have a second questions, average purchase amount by various product categories. Okay. Now I think someone asked me regarding the same thing. Yeah, here also I can explain you group by and other things I will explain. Okay. Fine. So here what I'm doing basically, I am doing SOP dot group by based on categories. Okay, let me just print something. First of all, SOP is there. Yeah, SOP of category. Just see that. Okay, I have SOP dot category, right? So I have categories like this. SOP categories. I have some clothing, footwears like this. I have. Okay. Now I also want to see based on the purchase amount. Okay, so let me do one more things. I can have two columns. One is category and the other is purchase amount. So you can see that this is a very interesting thing. Just understand how group by works. Okay? So I am displaying two columns, category columns and purchase amount. Two things I am showing here. Now, if you see that, I have a various categories. Clothing category is there, footwear is there, again clothing, accessories, footwear, like this. I have many columns that I have. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, what I'm going to do is, I will make group of it. For example, this is my first group. All the clothing things, right? All the clothing things will be in the first group. You can see that. All the clothing these things. That means these three values, these values, and these values. I'm going to add all these values. Okay. So what I did, I have created a group by categories. Group by categories. So clothing will be one group. Footwear will be second group. So it will include this row as well as this row. Third column could be accessories like this. Okay. And whatever value I am getting corresponding purchase amount, I am going to make a sum of all these values. Okay. Sum of all the values. So I'm going to add all the values and I'm going to find out the mean values. Okay. So that I can see that for each and every categories, what is the average values of a purchase amount. So that for the upcoming cycles, we can get a more benefit by analyzing this data. So this was the idea. But how to get these things? How to get these things? So what we have to do is here you need to have a SOP dot group by categories. Okay, SOP dot group by categories. So if I perform this particular operation, suppose individually, yeah, suppose I have performed these things. So it will create a group by generic data frames, right? Group by. Okay. That means it will have all these things. Clothing is one category, footwear is another categories. And then I want to see that particular columns. So if I do like this, then it will have something like this and dot. I can use many operation. Dot sum, I can do dot sum. It will tell me the summations. Okay, so accessories, this is total sum. Total sum means clothing, this is total sum. That means 53 plus 64 plus 73, 90 like that, 49 like that for each and every categories. Okay. So this is one aggregation functions. Aggregation functions can only be applied on the group by. Okay. That is one thing. Second thing is I want to find out the mean values. So I can say that I can again do that purchase amount based on each category and what is the mean value. So this is how group by will work. This is how group by will work. I hope this is clear to every one of you. If you are still doubt in this particular, please tell me. Okay. So I think in rest of things also, I think you will find similar kind of group by operations more. Okay. Yeah. Fine. I think let me check some of the Q&A. Yes, if you complete all these questions, your project is completed. Yes. So yeah, I hope everybody is getting the ideas how the group buy is working. Now, same thing. If I want to see which gender has the highest number of purchases, right? So I can do like this. Bar chart I can do. X axis could be the gender, Y will be purchase amount. So what it will do, it will identify all the available genders. So you have two, male and female. It will be on the X axis, and Y axis could be the purchase amount. So what is the purchase amount for male? It will be these things. What is the purchase amount for female? It will be these things. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Then we have a most commonly purchased item in each categories, right? So here, same thing. What I'm doing like this. Group by categories based on the item purchase. Okay. So we have a item purchase like this. And in each and every categories, I want to have a unique items and what is their count. Okay. So you can see that under the accessories, jewelry is the 171, which is the highest one. Okay. So if I am going to focus on the accessories part, so yeah, I can have a more benefit, like more people going to buy those things. Under the clothing, there are two items, blouse and pants. We have 171 items. Footwear, we have a sandals, 160, and outerwear, we have a jacket, 163. Okay. I can do like this. I can create histograms. X-axis could be item purchase, and color will be categories. So yeah, this is the one categories, right? And you can see that respective count. Okay. Same things. Just whatever things I am just showing above, same things you are getting, right? Okay. Yeah. Now we have to see based on the seasons, what is the unique value, what is the count. So yeah, you can see that spring has more data. That means people are more buying the items during the spring. Okay. So I want to see the based on the season, but here I want to change the y-axis range. I'm saying that y-axis range should be start from 800. It should stop at 1200. That means here it should be 800 to 1200. Okay. Yeah, you see 1200. That is the my y-axis. So I didn't see that count, the exact count. Yeah. Again, what is the average rating given by the customer for each product category? So again, I am going to do group by based on the review rating. I'm going to do mean value and I'm going to do dot reset index. So why I'm doing this? Because this will what it will do here in this scenario, it will have a accessories values and corresponding rating. Yeah, can do that. Suppose if I just copy this part, okay, same things. Yeah, no need to do reset and all these things. You can do like simply like this. So you have accessories and then you have a average rating values. Okay. If you do research, then you will get a index 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, and you have a categories and review rating. Both things, both column name you will get category and review. But here I just want to see the ratings. Okay. Okay. So that is one thing. Second thing is yeah, I want to see in the bar graph. I can see that x-axis will be category, y will be review rating. So that what we have seen. Why I'm doing this rating part? If I have some items which purchase is good, but rating is low, so I can increase the quality. Getting? I can increase the quality. So that is the this kind of analysis is very useful for your business perspective, right? You want to improve your business, you want to increase the quality, so you can focus on these things. So yeah, based on ratings that we have, and we want to see purchase behavior based on the subscribe and non-subscribe, right? So yeah, we can see that almost double, right? Almost double. You can see that there is no subscription. We have more users. For the subscription, we have less users. You can see that, and I can also see purchase amount. Okay, but purchase amount is remaining same. almost same. So no matter how many items they buy, but purchase amount will be almost same. So no, we can just ignore these things. Yeah, if we have a drastic change that if someone has subscriptions is not taken and still they have a more amount purchase amount, we can target those customers for a better profit. Yeah. Yeah. Then we have yeah, we want to see based on the payment method, debit card, credit card, bank transfer, all these things. So yes, again, we are going to do purchase amount mean now. Let me just do things. If I execute these things, I will get the each and every payment methods, okay, and their corresponding average purchase amount. But I want to see topmost. So for that, I need to use dot short value. Now, if I do short value by default, if I do like this, then what it will do, it will be like, smaller value be, it will be ascending order. Lower value will be at top and higher value will be bottom. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say that it should be ascending is equal to false. So if I do like that, then I can see that most of the customers are buying from the debit card and credit card. The amount is larger than the rest of the things. Bank transfer, cash, PayPal, right? So what I can do, I can target this audience and I can sell debit card and credit card for my benefits. Yeah. And same thing I'm showing in form of bar chart. Again, same thing is there. Okay. Yeah. So I think purchase amount someone mentions, it was this thing, right? I remember payment method. I think this was the doubt. I think someone asked. This someone asked. I think this doubt. I just noted down. I just recalled. So this was the doubt someone asked. I hope this is clear now. Okay. We are making the group of each and every categories, and then we are going to find out the mean values. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now, let's talk about the promo codes. Yeah. So now again, we are going to make a group of promo codes, and then we are focusing on the purchase amount and then sum. And here I'm going to introduce one more diagrams, that is the sun burst. Now, what it does that it has two things. It has path, it has values. Path, what it will do, it will create a different circles. So first circle is gender. So here we have a male and female. Inside this each genders, what is their promo code is status, right? So yeah. So what we can do, we can have male inside male, we have yes and no. Okay. Female, we have only no. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a chart like this and we can see what is their status. So here in case of male, we have more yes and less no like that. Okay. Yeah. So that is the scenario that we have. We can create a bar chart for that as well. X-axis will be the promo code, Y-axis will be purchase amount. Promo code, we have a yes and no. So we have a yes and no values here. And yeah, purchase amount will be higher for the no. Yeah. What is the frequency of purchase at various age groups? Now I'm focusing on the age. Okay. Now this is very interesting here. So what I'm going to do here, I have a age and age categories. Okay. Here I have two things, age and age category. So I will see what are the unique age category that I have. Okay. So I can see that old and four categories I have. So now I'm going to do like this. Path will be frequency of purchase that I have, frequency of purchase, and I am going to have a age category. So here, these are the first circle you can see that are the frequency of purchase. Okay, and then after that we have a age category. So now if I particular talk about these things, this old one, it says that we have a total 13,000 data that we have who have labeled as a quarterly. Like frequency of purchase is quarterly. Okay, like that. Okay, here same thing you can see that. Okay, yeah. Mm. Yes, this is the columns between the size and all these things. Same thing we are focusing on this. Shipping type, we want to see based on the shipping type, right? Standard, free shipping, and all these things. And discount is affecting that also we can see that, right? Discount. X-axis will be the discount apply, yes and no, and Y will be the purchase amount, yeah. And I'm creating the path again, sunburst, male and female. Here I can have discount applied. Okay, yeah. Yeah, then I'm going to see based on the colors, which colors people are more likely to buy. Okay, I can have values, and then here I'm going to do enlarge. Suppose if I don't like this, if I say like this, colors and value count. So what it will do, it will consider all the colors and it will consider their values. Now, if I want to see top five, I can say enlarge is equal to 5. So I can have top five colors here, top five colors. Okay, yeah. Previously purchase, what is the mean values and based on the locations, what is that purchase amount? So that also we can show in form of bar chart based on the age and categories. Okay, yes, in which categories people are more likely to buy those things. Yeah. Gender versus purchase. Okay, yeah, that we have already seen that. Gender versus age categories, male, female, and we have how many different genders are available, right? So yeah, that's it about these projects, right? So I think group by, there was a doubt about group by, and that is clear right now. I hope so. Now I'm going to explain you how you can you can submit things. So now for submitting the code, first things for submitting the code, what you need to do is you need to create a GitHub repository and then you can upload the files. Okay. So very simple thing is like, you can do like upload existing file, right? Suppose let me explain you the GitHub part. Yeah. I hope everyone is okay. Everyone is clear till this, right? Yeah. So yeah, let's do one thing. Let's explain you how can you you know uploading the GitHub. So suppose this is the GitHub folder that you have. Suppose let me go to this path. This is my GitHub page. This is my GitHub page, github.com, and this is my GitHub link. Okay. Now what you can do is you can create your own repository. Okay, your own GitHub repository. Now, how can you do that? You can go to this. Yeah, everyone just follow these steps. Rest it will be useful, right? Just go to this create new repository. Click on this new repository. As soon as you click on the create new repository, you need to provide the repository name. That's so now you're going. I'm going to provide the repository name. I will say shopping trends analysis. Yeah, I'm going to say this is the repository names. Yeah. I can, if I want to put, I can put the descriptions. I don't want to make any description as of now. Yes, it should be public. It should be public so that anyone can access your repository. And yeah, yeah. Then I'm going to create, I just click on this create repository. Nothing, I'm not going to change anything. It's by default. I'm not going to add this readme file, not git ignore license, nothing. I will just click on this create repository. Yeah. As soon as I click on the repository, I will have some commands. I can also use git commands for uploading the files. Else, I can directly upload the files. Okay. How can I upload these files? So, just after this quick setup, right? Here you can see that create a new files and uploading the existing files. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this uploading existing files. Okay. As soon as you click on the uploading file, just click upload that Jupyter file that you have just created. Okay. I will upload my, I'm going to upload the Jupyter files. Yeah, I'm going to upload these Jupyter files. Okay. It will be uploaded. You can also upload the dataset if you want. Okay. You can upload the dataset as well. Okay. So now as soon as I put things, I will have two things available over here. You can see that. Okay. .csv file, .ipython2 file, and you can click on this commit change. As soon as you click on the commit change, your both file will be available over here. And this is the link that you need to share. This is your GitHub link. So those who want to have some doubts or anything, I will share my GitHub repo. You can find your code there. Okay. And so this is my GitHub links where you can find the Jupyter files. Okay. Yeah, Kalpana. Yeah, do you have any other data sets? Then also it's fine. But you just need to upload the data set as well. Okay. Where you need to share the GitHub link, I will explain you. Yeah, I'm coming to that point. Yeah. Just follow me as of now. Atharva, I will explain you where to submit and what to submit. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I will wait for some times till you guys upload your files, and then I will explain you about the submission. Okay. Yeah. Just wait for 2 more minutes. Let other complete these things. Okay. Okay. I hope everyone is uploaded these things. No need. If you don't, if you want to remove the animation, that you can remove. I just make for it's better visualizations. That's it. Nothing else. Yeah. Okay. So I think everyone have. Mm, yeah. So till this, everyone is clear, right? Now, now what to submit? How to submit? That I'm going to explain you next things. Very important for all of you. Please pay attention. Now, everyone just log into the taxation portals. Everyone, just go to your taxation portals and log in. Okay. So now I hope everyone have log into this portal. I hope so. Okay. Now next, so you can see my screen. On left hand side, you will have a report template. Can you see it? Just go to this report template part. Now this is the format that you need to follow. Okay. So here, the font type should be the Times New Romans. Okay. Text size will be the 12. Okay. Now, if you have main titles in the chapters, the text alignment should be the center. Font size should be 16 and it should be in bold format. Okay. Okay. After that, the first title part, it should be have 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 like that. And the font size should be the 14. It should be the bold and text alignment will be the left. Okay. Now, uh, here, the second subtitle, okay, that you are seeing here, it should be 1.1.1, 1.1.2, and it should be left line and font size will be 12 and bold. Okay. And if you click on this download template, okay, you will have a one template that is downloaded. Open the template. This is your report template. Okay. This is your report template, and this is what you need to submit as a part of submission. Okay. So here, yes, 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 guys, please, I will explain you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. So here, the first thing will be your project title. Okay. Project title. So you know your project title, right? Entire name you need to mention. Okay. You need to mention like, identifying shopping trend analysis like that. Okay. So let me post it over here for your reference purpose. Okay. This is your, this is your project title first. That should be over here. Now formatting should not be changed. This is the same formatting you need to mention. You need to maintain. This is fine. This is no need. Now here you should have your name and email ID separated by the comma. And here in the name of guide, you can add two names. Okay, you can add Raja sir name and my name. So I think P Raja sir and there. Okay, you can put both the names here as a guide, and right. Okay. Now, yes, I think one should, how can I upload my Colab link in the GitHub? So in that case, Google Colab link, you can just download that Jupyter Notebook file from that and just upload in the GitHub. Okay, in that case, you can download it. No need to upload report in GitHub. You need to, I will explain you where you need to submit it. Okay. Now let me explain you about the various component of the report. Okay. So here we want to have a acknowledgement. Okay. It should be in your words. Okay. So yeah, we want that acknowledgement from your side. Now, it's beyond your own ways. Yeah. Next thing is abstract. Here you need to provide the a summary of the projects, including the problem statement, objective, all the things. It should be in 300 words. It should be in 300 words. After the abstract, there will be a content, table of content. Okay? And here it should have a proper page numbers. Now, page number will start from this. You can see that it will start from here, right? It will start from this particular chapter one. Chapter one will have a page number one. So once you complete entire report, then you can update these numbers. Problem statement, motivations, objective, all these page numbers should be available. Okay, this is the table of content. Okay. After that, we have a list of figures. Now, as a part of submission, you will have some of the figures, right? Like result or anything like that. So those kind of figures you can mention over here. Here's it should have a page number and you should have a proper caption. Now, what kind of captions you can put? So suppose if I am taking the pie chart or if I'm showing the bar chart like this, so I can have some conclusions that this particular category has more revenue like that, more purchase power, or this particular age group has more number of customers like that. That could be some one-liner caption. You should put it. Okay. So how many figure that you are putting over here? You should have a proper caption for each figure and you should have a page number. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there is no limit to page number of reports. Okay, but at least we want some of the basic components. Okay. Final project option is not showing in the LMS. Okay, let me request these things. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. Let me check. Okay, I inform the team. Let's see. Yeah, so that is one thing. Now, if you have some tables, for example, if you have putting some table analysis in form of tables, you can put it over here. Okay. How many pages should we write? There is no any restriction on the pages, but we want to have a basic component that I mentioned here, like abstract, problem statement, all these things that I'm explaining. Each component should have like each and every uh, topic should have at least one page. Okay, so accordingly you can manage. Right? There is no any restriction like you should have this many page number like that, but it will definitely have at least 8 to 10 pages minimum. Okay. Yeah, yeah, definitely you can edit this report. Yeah, yeah, you can edit it. Completion certificate you will get in February, not here, right? Okay, I think someone correct. Yeah, I think anonymous attendee. Yeah. Final project submission button will be available after giving the feedback. Absolutely. Okay, okay. So I think they have enabled it, but you need to submit the feedback form, right? Yeah, yeah. So there is a feedback form is available, I guess. Then it will be available. Yeah, please check it out. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think another anonymous. Okay, fine, no problems. Yeah, I think one more where to fill in table content. Yeah, see, table of content, right? Here, table of contents here. This is the table of content that you need to fill after completing the report, so that you can have a proper page number. Here you need to put the figures if you have any in the report. If you have any tables, suppose I'm saying if you have, then you can put if you do not have, kindly remove this page. It's not necessary. Just remove this. If it is not there inside your report, there is no table, just remove these things. Okay. Okay. Yes, I will upload the recording after this sessions. No problems. Okay. The last date will be the 31st January. 31st January for your submissions. Yes, where to submit? Yeah, I will explain you where to submit report. No problems. No, no need to submit code. You can just submit that GitHub link. Okay. Where is feedback available? Can you see this particular page? Can you see the options? This options is there. Final, what you can see, final project submissions. Can you see this? Okay, if it is not required, you can remove it. Feedback form, no need. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Okay, I will explain you where you can submit it. No problems. Just let me complete it. Okay, let me just complete these things. I will come to that point. Okay, yeah. Here we will find the final project submission on this link. But anyways, let me just complete this report part. After the table of content, you will have a first chapter that is introduction. Now here, as I mentioned, this is your title. It should be in central with the proper font color and bold. And here you can see that 1.1, 1.2, everything we have already designed for you guys. No need to worry about it. Just change this content with Roman font, all over whatever things we have mentioned. Okay, you should have a problem statement. What kind of problems you are targeting? Like what is the problem that you are solved through your projects? What is the motivation behind that? What is your object and what is your future scope? What else you can do apart from this project? What are the extra features that you can add as a part of this project? Okay. Now, this is your literature's review survey. So here, what you can do, you can have some of the literature, relevant literatures. You can find out on the internet, e-commerce websites, how they do analysis. Just read out some of the literature survey. Just mentions those summary as a paragraph. Okay, one or two paragraphs is enough for the literature survey. Okay, it's like you know various techniques and then you choose these particular things. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, you can also mention your reference. No, reference part is separate. That is different thing. Now they have a system design. System design means what? Here we are taking the data, we are doing some pre-processing, we are doing some analysis, and then we are doing the visualizations. So this is the sequence diagrams that you are putting. So you can put the various components and just connect the dot component with the arrow that we are importing the data, we are converting the Excels, we are converting into this particular format. Then we are doing the analysis. We are visualizing it and visualizing some of the graph like that. Those kind of simple diagrams you can put. Sequence diagram will works here. Hardware requirement and software requirements. Hardware requirements, what is the minimum processor that you need? Software requirements, what are the different libraries that you use? You must have used Jupyter, Google Colabs, all these things you can mention. You can use Pandas, NumPy, you have used Matplotlib. You can mention all these requirements over here. And now this is the most important part of the report. That is the snapshot of result. So you can put top 5 or 6 result over here. Okay. You can have a different graph, pie chart. You can have bar chart. All these things you can put it over here. You can with the captions. Okay. And that should be reflected in the first table that I mentioned, figure table. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And then here you can put your GitHub link for the code. Just now I show you that GitHub link. You have your own GitHub link. You can just put it over here. And you can use future words and conclusion. That's it. That is chapter 5. References. Here you can put various references that you use for this particular Matplotlib library. So you refer particular links where you will find all the available method for the Matplotlib. Just for an example, right? So you can put all the references over here. 3 or 4 references are enough. Okay. Okay. So let's discuss about this thing. Yeah. So now once you complete this report, convert into this PDF, and that PDF file you need to submit that PDF file. Okay. So where you to submit it now? I think many of many of you was waiting since last half an hour. So this is the place. This is the place you need to upload the things. So this is your GitHub link. That GitHub link that just like this. Okay, it should be publicly available. It should be updated over here first thing. So you can have this thing. Just put it over here. Okay, and here attach project files. Here you need to put the PDF files, report files in form of PDF. Okay. So yeah, that's this is the submission part. This is submission part. It won't take much time. If once you complete the implementations, you can start working on the report part. After the 1 week, you can easily submit it. If you have any examinations, don't worry. We have deadline till 31st January. So till then, you can submit it, upload it, and if you are interested to create a LinkedIn post, do that. Okay, it will highlight your process. It will highlight your skills. Okay, I think I have some of you. You must have started posting these things in the LinkedIn, which is really appreciate. Okay, yeah. Now let me read out some of the queries. Yeah, we need to submit project in PDF format. Okay. I have watched all the videos. Still it's showing zero process. Don't worry about that. Zero process. It's fine. It's fine. No worry about that. There is no any reason, specific reasons. That's fine. Yeah. Objective of this project. Can you tell me once? What should be done with the assets? Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I understand you missed some of the session. I think all this session, I guess. Okay, so objective of this program was that we have some data of this shopping, and we want to analyzing the data with some parameters, some columns. Okay, and we want to find out the trends. Okay, so that in the next few months, if I want to predict which product I should target for, I can easily do that. So we are going to analyzing some of the data. We are going to visualize with some graphs, and that's what our objective is of our projects. Okay. Yeah. Submission link is not available. Okay. Okay. Fine. No problems. I will talk with the team. Don't worry about that. Just be calm. Everything will be done. Okay. Yeah. So final project option is not visible. I understand. That is same issues. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No problems. I will just inform that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You just need to choose the report file. That's it. Nothing else. Just report in PDF format. That's it. If you click on this, you will get a report file. That's it. You need to choose that one. Okay. Okay, fine. Not having GitHub, Narasimha. So I would suggest just create your GitHub accounts. You can use like login with Google. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Mm. No, I think GitHub is necessary for us as a part of submission. So yeah, you need to have a right. It won't take much time. I think within 5 minutes you can submit it. You can rewatch this recording video. You will get an idea how you can upload the files. Okay. Okay. Mm, what is proposed methodologies? Okay. So yeah, in case of proposed methodology, like we have a we have many ways to solve these problems. One could be the Excel sheet, right? But we want to have some advanced things which is not provided by the Excel, for examples, right? So I'm using Pandas, I'm using NumPys, I'm using some group by operations. So these are some methods that I've created for doing some visualizations, for doing some analysis. So those kind of method you can mention, okay? So yeah, that is the one thing. Where to get the question of the representations? I will share that GitHub links where you can find it. I think I just shared it, right? I just shared it for a couple of minutes back. Yeah, this is the repository file which I created to share it. Let me just share it. Yeah. You can find the report over here, report template. You no need to depend on anyone. Just click on this download template. You will get a report. Okay. So don't worry. You can easily find it out here, right? Yes, Narsima, I think this is the, yeah, you need to have a GitHub account, right? Yeah, yeah, okay. I just reading the old messages. Fine. Yeah, got it, got it. Uh, yeah, Kunal and yeah, Abita. So here you will find it. Report template. Okay, just go to this report template and you will find it. I think this model is available, right? I was no, no, there is no any reason, but we need to download this thing, right? That's why, yeah. Okay, fine. Anything else? Any different queries? Okay, for existing technique or method, you can read out some of the, you also need to mention some references, right? I would suggest just explore what are the different techniques are available for the analysis. You can put those in the reference and you can also put out the various techniques. Okay, I would say just do small exercise. Okay. No queries, but really appreciate you and the way you explain each and every, yeah. Yeah, thank you so much for your kind words. Yeah. Yeah, I thank you. I'm grateful for that. Yeah. Okay, where is the feedback form? Once you get final project options, then you will get a submit. Okay. Yeah. So definitely, I'm in touch with the teams. They're also working from their side. Don't worry. It will be uploaded soon, and we'll also inform in the group. I think WhatsApp group that we have. Okay. And if you're getting feedback options, just do it. Yeah, I would say just do it. It is sufficient, Kunal. It's sufficient, whatever things I mentioned. Sorry. Uh, where we analyze data and can you say GitHub required? See, I didn't get your questions. Where we analyze the data and can you say your GitHub required? See, GitHub is for the submission purpose. It's not related to any analysis or anything. It's just that you have done some projects that you can put it on the Jupyter, okay? Jupyter file, and that Jupyter file should be uploaded in the GitHub account. The GitHub is just for development purpose. It's not like an analytic or anything like that. It's just a platform. And when you join any companies, definitely you are going to use GitHub every day. I would say every day you are going to use Git commands. Okay, that's how companies are working on same projects. Okay. So it's a basically version control systems. Okay. Yeah. So that's why it's just necessary. Okay. In report, it's not any questions is a part of result. You can put 5 or 6 questions is enough, I guess, in the report. Okay. Yes, I think Ganesh, I think I have four or five same response. I mentioned yes. Okay. But where will you submit the notebook file? For submitting the notebook file, you need a GitHub account. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Sai Ganesh, I think I've got many times same message. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Okay, I think this is the interesting questions. So nowadays we have many AI tools. They are doing analysis like what we do. Absolutely correct. So is that data analytics for future expect? Mm, no. I mean, it could be not 100% true. Uh, what I would suggest as a part of future analysis, right? What you can do, you can work on the time series data first of all. Okay, here we have a season, right? So what you can do, you can analyzing based on the time, like morning, evening, afternoon, right? You can also analyze it based on the festival things if I have. So you need to collect data with respect to those parameters as well, right? If I'm focusing on the India, like Diwali could be the one festival where we have a more uh, purchase. Okay, that's for an example. Okay. So these are the things can be used for in the future analysis. So you need to have a proper data accordingly. Here we not have those data, but yeah. Then you can also focus on the state wise. You can also focus on the city wise. Okay. So this could be the future aspect. Okay. Then in future, if I have got data in this way, I will work on this particular part. That's what you need to have. Okay. Okay. No, Tushar, if you make a private, then it's not be accessible by us. Okay. Narsima, I would say, just go to this GitHub, create a new repository, and just upload it. Okay, it's a very simple thing. If I would say, please rewatch this recording. Okay. Two, three snapshot. No, I would suggest just at least put five, six. Okay, we have done many more analysis. Just five, six will be fine. Acknowledgement कैसे लिखे? Acknowledgement means whatever you have experience with us, right? As a part of mentors, you can put it in your words. I have also mentioned the sample file, right? In the sample file, we do have a acknowledgement. I think so. Yeah, we would like to take this opportunity to express great deep sense of gratitude like that. Anything in that you can put it and in your words. Mm. Yeah. Please provide a text message in a group, the steps to create a report. What is the process for? I think I explained everything, right? How to create reports and all these things. Yeah, I mean, okay. Where to upload GitHub links? Okay. Here, inside this final project, once it is enabled, here you can provide the GitHub links. Okay. So yeah, let me put it over here. Okay, I think this is the, I think some couple of questions are same. So yeah. Yeah, on the report and the code. Both things you need to submit. Subrat. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is the fantastic questions for day. I think question of the day, I would say. It is possible to create a data analytics models which can update day to day by using live cloud data. Uh, absolutely. This is the fantastic projects you can think of it. You can have a day-to-day data and automatically dashboards it will be created. I think Power BI is one of the tools which is used to create a very dashboard kind of things. Okay, so you can explore Power BI. So as a part of Futurescope, I would say you can also write like this. You can create a many dashboards using Power BI, and I can have a live data. So this could be future expect. Okay. How many questions you need to write? I mean, 10 to 12 is enough. Okay. I have shown you the project reports, right? All things you need to display. Okay. Yeah, link showing errors. I think, okay, okay. So yeah, its model is not enabled. That's why. But don't worry. Just save that link somewhere. Once we enable it, once the team enable it, you will able to see that. Okay, just save these links. It will be useful in futures. Okay, fine. What else? What else? Absolutely. I think Ashwari, right? Yeah, you can create a Power BI dashboard using this data. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, you can do that. And if you have those time, you can also upload in the GitHub. We will see your GitHub repository and we'll follow you. And yeah, we'll see how much interestingly you created dashboards. Yeah, it would be always be pleasure. Yeah, fine. So yeah, you can upload that. That is not mandatory. Yeah, but if you want to upload, you can do that. Yeah, fine then. Anything else? Can you tell about the questions? Dipti Sarma, which questions? I think I have mentioned in the GitHub, right? In GitHub repository, I have mentioned this thing, these questions I was talking about. Okay, let me share this file. Yeah. Which format can be used for reports? I explain you entire report. Just go to this report template, download it. Okay. Yeah. Yes, GitHub print should be same in both report as well as in this field. Yeah. Last date is 31st January. Okay. Yeah, if you want to put your code, that's fine, but putting code doesn't make any sense in report, I would say. Okay, so yeah. No, 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 no. Now this is the thing, Kalpana, I think, right? In problem statement section, should we explain questions that we are going to answer? No, you're not going to have those questions. You are going to have a challenges, right? What are the existing challenges? Can I read each and every row of the data and think about the trends? No, right? I should have some systems to visualize the things. So that is the challenge. Why you work on these projects? What was the motivation behind that? That is the what was the challenge that you are facing? That could be problem statement. That is not a questions. Okay, that is not a questions. How can share app deployment link in the projects? Yeah, you can add yeah, Sanjana. I think you can add one more things like live reports, live analysis like that deployment link. You can put websites just after the GitHub. You can put that, or even here also, right? Here you can have things like this. Here somewhere I think yeah, about session. You can see that about session. You can put your website links. Yeah, you can put website links. Yeah, you can do that. Okay. Can you share the link for course? Okay, Satvik. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I will provide my links. No problems. Yeah, no problems. I will share my links. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I will share this thing. No problems. Okay. We need to upload both report and Jupyter file on GitHub. No, no, no need to convert Jupyter notebook in PDF. You can just upload on the GitHub. You no need to upload report in GitHub even. You just upload in this LMS. Yeah, this. Then you can upload it, right? File projects. You upload it. Yes, I will upload these recordings. No problems. Yeah. Only a snapshot of result is required, yes, but with captions, I would say. Thank you, sir, for the guidance. Yeah, you're welcome. You're always welcome. Where to submit answer of questions. No, that is like it's not a answer of question. It's an analysis, right? You can put in your code basically, just like how I did, right? Just like this is the question, right? This is the questions. I answer it. That's it. No need to create anything separately. Yes, yes, Prachita, your questions are visible to me. What do I need to do with the question? See, okay, so this is the questions I answer it. There is no any like strict rule you need to follow. Okay. So yeah, so what you do I need to do with the question? This is the analysis. This is the analysis. Just questions and analysis. Okay. There is no anything you need to just you can also write like this. Okay, fine. If you want to add question in this episode, yes, you can do that. No, not an issue. But you need to have a proper captions. Okay. Guide names, yes, you can put Raja sir's name and my names. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, Fine. Mm, yeah. Any more doubts? Any more questions? Yes, the same. Just like how I did shopping trend notebook, you need to do that. Deepti Sharma. Yes, absolutely. Uh, no, I think if you want to make some changes, I think someone other asked questions that if you want to make some changes to make a difference, yes, you can do that. Yes, it's always welcome. Yeah. It's just basically your own analysis. That's it. Yeah. Project template you can directly find out from this site. You're playing with my patience, I guess. Uh, this is where you will find it up, and that's fine. Okay. Yeah. What about motivations? Motivation means like you are getting some insights from the data, so that can be used for increasing the profit. The side in this good way, not as profit or like that. Can be used for making decisions for your companies like that. Yeah, I don't have option of find. Yeah, that's not your issue. It's a issue for all. It's not enable final project. We are going to enable you soon. We will inform you in your WhatsApp. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Certificate will be available in the next month, probably. Yes, you can put GitHub link in the report. Yeah. Okay, I think submission date last submission date is 31st January. Before that, if you want to submit, it's very most welcome. Yeah, I think no, I think I hope everybody got the clarities. Certificate will be available on the text system process, not in mail. We will explain you with the proper text message. Okay. Attendance status, yes, yes, for your batch. If you have any issue with the attendance, don't worry about it. Just do the submissions. We'll take care of the attendance part for specifically your batch. Okay. Uh, PDF in doc form. You can download it from the doc form, right? Yeah. What should be right in the proposed methodology? So here in this case of proposed methodology, you are providing some insights by using the Panda, NumPy, all these things. You are doing some analysis from the data based on your experience. So could be the proposed methodology. Like you are proposing that we are proposing the scripting file which can be used to analyzing the data, kind of things. Yeah, so but yeah. There is no any submission of answer of questions. It's just analysis. You can put in your code. That's it. That's it. Uh, yeah, yeah, I will post it today's session. No problems. Yeah. Just now, let me just stop the recordings, I guess.